final type of factorising that we need to look at is the difference of two squares. So looking at the first question, 9x squared minus 4. We need to find out what number squared gives you 9x squared. So it's going to be 3x squared, and then on this side 2 squared will give you 4. So that's the first step for all questions. And then when you're finished that step, it's always going to be 3x minus this number, so 3x minus 2 bracket 3x plus 2. The reason why we do that is if we multiply these brackets out again, you will get rid of any x terms in the middle, because minus 2 by 3x is minus 6x, 3x by plus 2 is 6x, and they will cancel each other out. So it's always going to be the minus and the plus, but it doesn't make a difference which order you write the brackets in. Just to take you through another example, we need to change 25a squared. 5 squared gives you 25, so it's going to be 5a squared minus, and then it's going to be 9b squared on this side. And then the last step is to write them in brackets, so it's going to be 5a minus 9b bracket 5a plus 9b. So you wrote your answers in brackets, and it doesn't make a difference if you write the 5a plus 9b and the 5a minus 9b. That's perfectly okay. Now looking at the third example, x squared y squared. So to write that, it would be xy all squared, and then for the next one it would be minus 2ab squared. So now both of them are all squared. So then we have xy minus 2ab bracket xy plus 2ab. And that would be that question done. Like I said at the start, if you want to check your answer, you can multiply out your brackets again, split them up, and you'll get back to the original question again. Now this is another difference of two squared question, but we should notice already that 12 and 75, you can't write those as numbers to be squared. So what you're going to have to do for this one is take out something common first. Taking out something common, you can see that 3 divides into both of these, so 3 by what would give me 12x squared, 3 by 4 would give you 12x squared, and then 3 by what would give you 75. So 3 by 25 would give you 75. So then to finish this question off, we need to do the difference of two squares in the bit in the middle. The reason why it's called the difference of two squares, there's always a minus sign in the middle. So we need to write this here as a number to be squared, so it's going to be 2x squared minus 5y squared, and we need to keep our 3 out here. And then the last step was 2x minus 5y bracket 2x plus 5y. And then again keep your 3 on the outside. So that is that question fully factorized. If you want to check if your answer is right, split up your brackets, multiply them out, and multiply your answer by 3. And you'll see you'll get back to the original question.